tell you this one time, boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside?
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
Hi my loves, it's Ruth here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. So today is hair day and we are going to the salon to make our hair. We are going to do shuku. I know it seems like I'm upside down, but yeah, you'll see me very soon. So come with me, let's go to the salon, let's make shuku. I'm going to show you guys how to make shuku, and of course I am using all-time fave Lush hair. That's the attachment we are going to be using today. So let's go. Hey. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing to the salon. Something very simple. I look cute though. If you're a returning subscriber, you know of course I love you. Welcome. And if you're just stopping by for the first time, I love you. Please subscribe, like, share a video. Now let's go.
When I let you go, ooh, I just pull you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip as pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my spell.